Here are some quotes that emphasize the power of not reacting or maintaining one's composure in various situations. These quotes emphasize the importance of choosing how to respond to various situations rather than reacting impulsively, highlighting the strength and wisdom in maintaining composure and control. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Sun Tzu. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James. Your power is in your ability to decide what to focus on and what not to focus on. Tony Robbins. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. When we react, we let others control us. When we respond, we are in control of ourselves. Unknown. The most important thing is to be able to see yourself and others without judgment. Anthony D. Mello. Silence is the ultimate weapon of power. Charles de Gaulle. Reacting in anger or annoyance will not advance one's ability to persuade. Ruth Bader Ginsburg. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Marcus Aurelius. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Dale Carnegie. The power of choice is one of the greatest gifts we have in life. It allows us to respond instead of reacting. Unknown. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. Plato. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Let silence be your powerful response to the noise around you. Unknown. What happens is not as important as how you react to what happens. Ellen Glasgow. In the moment, choose to pause and not react. This is where your power lies. Unknown. Your power is not in your reactions, but in your ability to respond with wisdom and grace. Jay Shetty. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James. Reacting is automatic. Responding is a conscious choice. Unknown. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence. Unknown. In the space between stimulus and response lies our power to choose, and in that choice lies our growth and our freedom. Viktor E. Frankl. Not reacting is a superpower. It is a sign of emotional strength and self-control. Unknown. The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us, but those who win battles we know nothing about. Unknown. When you react, you are giving away your power. When you respond, you are staying in control of yourself. Bob Proctor. React less, think more, and then act with intention. Karen Salmonson. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Abraham Lincoln. The most powerful weapon you can be is an instrument of peace. Carlos Santana. Reacting in anger or annoyance will not advance one's ability to persuade. Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Don't let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Dalai Lama. When you react, you let others control you. When you respond, you are in control. Bodhi Sanders. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. Unknown. There are no failures, just experiences and your reactions to them. Tom Cross. Understand? There are no free lunches, and for every action you take, there's a reaction. Sylvester Stallone. Every time you are tempted to react in the same old way, ask if you want to be a prisoner of the past or a pioneer of the future. Deepak Chopra. No method of procedure has ever been devised by which liberty could be divorced from local self-government. No plan of centralization has ever been adopted which did not result in bureaucracy, tyranny, inflexibility, reaction, and decline. Calvin Coolidge. Time trouble reduces us all to pure reflex and reaction. Tactical play. Emotion and instinct cloud our strategic vision when there is no time for proper evaluation. Garry Kasparov. Life is 10% what happens to you, and 90% how you react to it. Charles Swindoll. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.